Ozempic and Wegovy are brand name drugs originally designed for diabetes patients because of their effectiveness in regulating blood sugar and reducing appetite. They're now frequently prescribed for weight loss.
The demand is astronomical.
Jimmy Leonard is a managing director of the Washington Poison Center. He has a background in pharmacy and toxicology. He says along with Ozempic's popularity comes a risk of accessing knockoff versions that can make you sick.
We are seeing cases here in the state of Washington. I reviewed about 6 months worth of cases.
The Poison Center takes calls about any overdose concerns, and Leonard says they saw the number of weight loss drug-related calls double this year so far compared to 2022 and 2023. Over the past 6 months, they've received 60 calls about this.
The big things that we're seeing are nausea and vomiting and essentially food intolerance.
Ozempic and Wegovy are drugs known as semaglutides.
It helps increase your body's release of insulin when you eat food, right? So that was part of it, so that you had more insulin to help maintain your blood sugar in a normal range.
And the drug, given as an injection, has been exceptionally effective in weight loss.
It's really the demand that has pushed people and its shortages, right? So the drug company was trying to manufacture as much as they possibly can and has just not been able to keep up with astronomical demand for it.
Off-brand versions have since emerged. Leonard says some of these versions are compound medications, which is when ingredients are combined or altered to create a medication tailored to the needs of a patient. The compound versions, these so-called knockoff versions, are they effective and safe to use?
It's really unclear at this point, right? The most of the time when we hear about them is when somebody had something go wrong.
Leonard says to be safe, consumers should stick with the FDA-approved brands.
All the processes are really verified to make sure that they are, following good manufacturing processes. They have adequate stability. They're really easy to use.
Leonard adds, avoid buying these weight loss drugs from online sources and stick with talking to a doctor or pharmacist directly for a prescription. If you have any concerns, you can contact the Washington Poison Center hotline at 1-800-222-1222. For HealthLink, I'm Christine Pay.